and wisdom. Their passion for their profession is contagious. In all our Indian traditions, we place them before God. They are farmers in every way. They create future. They stand where they stand, but they enjoy their students' success. The only thing we can do to show our gratitude is to chase our dreams and reach us the pinnacle of success. Here come our DVPS angels of KG to pay their tribute to all our teachers.
We are lucky to have amazing teachers who make learning fun. So let's celebrate with a song about our favorite subjects. From our first day of school till today, our teachers have guided us with love and care. We remember our first day of school, and now we celebrate the teachers. As we learn to communicate in English class, we express our thanks to our teachers.
Coffee, woffee, sugar, mocha, paper, paper, news, clock, one time, wine, run. Train, wait, pass, was late, wait, class, was friendship, bonding, fun, run.
बदला न सारा you सारा का सारा new मैं happy क्यों मैं busy हूँ धीमे slowly I'm learning सीखो नई ज़बान धीमे slowly I'm learning सीखो नई ज़बान It's all about English
In math class, we learn to solve problems and find solutions.
Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 beta. Then cos square theta minus sin square theta equals to cos 2 theta. 1 plus 1 equals to 11 नहीं होता बेटा. बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स में हम कुल बस मैथ्स में डब्बा
Just like we learn from our mistakes, our teachers guide us to do better. Let's appreciate their patience and care.
झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक 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 बेटा
Our teachers are our guide and our inspiration. So let's thank them on this special day.
तुम मिले तो जादू छा गया तुम मिले तो जीना आ गया तुम मिले तो